It's a little hard to see the concrete foundation because, I mean, it's in the sand pretty much, but what you can see is that they have the wood pilings coming out, which means the foundations are done. They're ready to go. They're ready to put the boards right on top of it. All that's missing right now is the ride itself, which will be coming in a couple containers in probably about a week or two. I mean, this ride is not going to be ready for Memorial Day weekend. It probably won't be ready until, I would say, probably the end of June, but of course we'll have you guys covered on that. But before we move down, I want to show you that on Dinosaur Beach, they still have the teacups and 2 games. We still don't know where the teacups are going or where these games are going. But any guesses? Any guesses? I mean, you can guess, I can guess. I have no idea where it is gonna go. But let's continue our tour. I also want to apologize in advance that I didn't realize that the sun was going to cause this much of a problem on seeing things because of the shade. So if you can't see it that way, I apologize. We'll do another video in about 3 weeks. So let me continue. We're going to go down now the side of the pier and probably go through all the fencing area and kind of zoom in just to see if we could see anything. Now, from far away, it doesn't look like much is getting done on the other rides. I mean, you could see where the motorcycles are, they did put the canopy back on top. Some of the other rides, they slowly put back together, but I think their main focus right now is getting the brand new Runaway Tram ready to go. I'm actually really excited for it. You guys excited for it? If you are, comment below. We're going to continue our tour down the pier. Now, they did make one change on this side of the pier. I'm going to zoom in and show you guys, and comment below if you can guess what it is. Any guesses on what that one change was? It was Happy Feet. As we mentioned before, Happy Feet was on the south side of the pier, and they had to move it to make room for the brand new coaster. And we talked about the teacups kind of making their way off the pier to Dinosaur Beach. And now we found out that Happy Feet is definitely making its way into where the teacups were. Now we're going to continue down here, and then on top of that, fly the drone. As always, we like to get a bird's eye view of what the pier looks like because we can't really see the concrete work or most of the changes. So we're going to go up right now after we take a walk down the beach. As you can see, Kanga Bounce is making its way back together, and same as it. I mean, it actually looks nice that it's finally coming back together. It looked weird without its lights on there. Now, as you can see, the doo-wopper's all ready to go for the season. It looks great in its brand new location. Now, we're gonna go ahead and put the drone in the sky. Now, remember, we have a 200-foot rule when you're flying down here. Seriously, guys. We don't want any accidents. We don't want the drone falling out of the sky onto the rides, which is very unlikely, but you have to play it safe. So we're going 200 feet away and flying on the outside of the whole entire pier, 200 feet away. Remember, I'm gonna keep saying that because a lot of people keep breaking that rule, and before you know it, they might ban them down here, and I don't want that to happen. Also, go ahead and comment below if you see something that we did not mention yet. Let's do this. Oh, there is one thing that I just saw, as I just said, if you see anything, let me know. It looks like they colored the arms, the lights itself, a different color on it. It used to just only be the main colors, which were, well, actually down there actually used to just be green and white. Now they're multiple colors. So it's orange, red, purple, yellow, green, and blue. So that's a bit different. Now I wonder if they did that, the color coordinated on the control panel itself. Who knows? If we don't operate the ride, you don't know. But let's go ahead and fly. So there you guys go. Did you like our video? If you did, please go ahead, comment below, hit that like button. It's very important if you do that. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that notification bell. And as always, I'm Joey. I'll see you guys on the beach. Bye.